good morning, September 12th. In this video I would like to remind you that every single day market conditions change. However, Fibonacci strategies, Fibonacci levels remain the same. They will test you to the core of your knowledge. This is a trade in front of you right now that's being converted to 1-minute chart. As every single trade I demonstrate in the trading room, I convert to 1-minute chart on purpose, so you can see the accuracy of the method instantly. Take a look at what we dealt with this morning. Drastically different morning than yesterday. Yesterday morning was 10 out of 10 morning. Yesterday morning I reminded everyone, ultimate points of entry at trend inception. This is Fibonacci reversal zone, as we can see in previous videos. Ultimate place to buy. And this is when we close the room. On Tuesday, when I warned you, not the place to buy, the place to exit. It's close to Fibonacci reversal zone. This morning we came to this key support. As we discussed with students, not the place to short. As you witnessed in the trading room, 2 hours in a row, ultimate war zone, ultimate chop, ultimate danger. Our bias remained firmly long. Patience and discipline and knowledge paid off once again. Bullish Rally skyrocketed. How many points later? This trade currently 5 points later, struggling as expected at Fibonacci reversal zone. No surprise. Patience and discipline and knowledge once again won. Knowledge is power. Buying into reversal zone, as you see in front of you, never an option. More time I spend with price action and Fibonacci, more I show you every day, every time. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Never waste your time chasing indicators. All you have to do, play by the rules. In the month of October, I'm celebrating 10 years of work since I developed proprietary Fibonacci method I've been teaching to traders from beginner to hedge fund manager in US and globally. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. This is the reason knowledgeable trader knows. Only if you trade by the rules, using pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit, you will succeed. Only if you get rid of trigger-happy mentality, you will succeed. Now, knowledgeable trader knows extremely well. Adjusting your trail very close at 28.8850 is a key. Everyone clear on that? Once again, we are on the right side of the market. So, if you would like to join us and Fibonacci Mastery course, I look forward working with you. As you can see, time and time to time, why students become my favorite people of all. Pablo, complete beginner trader, speaking on the website. Bradley had been trying and posting on the website. Please read on Facebook Brad's comments. If you take the course, if you make the effort, you will succeed. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Joseph is hedge fund manager. Jean trading options. What are you trading? Absolutely up to you. Only if you apply sniper's mentality you can succeed in day trading. However, you can use exact same strategy on anything you choose. You wanna trade euro? Why not? It's all the same. Look what euro had done. Collapsed from reversal zone. No surprise. Where is euro staging bullish rally? At trend inception reversal zone. Where would euro be in pain? at Fibonacci resistance present in front of you for years. Taking the course is shortcut to 10 years of work with price action and Fibonacci. When I recognized very clearly in 2008 that every single instrument is exactly the same price action pattern. No reason to waste your time on anything else. I went to work. And more time I spend with price action and Fibonacci, more I see that market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Nothing else is needed ever. More I see. Less staring at the screen, more quality. Less trades, more money. Get rid of trigger-happy cowboy mentality. Stop chasing indicators. Focus on what indicators developed after. The sky's the limit if you do. As you see every single day to the ticket, the accuracy of the method in live markets. And that's the reason trading room open. So, if you would like to join us, pretty please review all the information on the website. As time and time, you see instantly in the room. Reversal zone, not a place to buy. No matter what you trade, no matter if it's Euro, no matter if it's Google, no matter if it's Tesla, it's all the same. What is the difference? Risk management and trader psychology. Tesla reversal zone obeyed for years, just like 1 minute S&P. Google reversal zone obeyed for months, just like 1 minute S&P. Euro, it's all the same. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. Review the information on the website under Learn, and I look forward to working with you. New class starts September 17th. All classes are live. I love teaching. Private mentoring includes all group classes. Group classes 8 weeks, private mentoring 16. Most important part of the website, always and forever, listen to the students on what they trade. As traders from beginner to hedge fund manager, trading the method in US and globally. You have any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. Adjust your trail even closer. 28.89 1/4. You don't need many trades. What you need is quality. And you remain consistent trader at the lot size. Spend less than 10 hours in front of the screen. Have a joy-filled life. Make this world a better place. And remember, greed and ego and trigger happiness never ever a recipe for success. Knowledge is. So, concentrate on knowledge. Concentrate on what indicators developed after. The sky's the limit if you do. As S&P remains in pain, in correction, in reversal zone on 1 minute chart, reminding you this is not the place to buy. So here was the students sharing the results on these trades. As you see, Pablo and Bradley trading different lot sizes. Every student has different account size. Every student has different lot sizes. Pablo 2.5 points on 2 lots. Bradley 5 lots, 4.5 points. More lots you have, more opportunity you have to scale out. Make sense? You're witnessing market in a whole lot of pain. Adjust the trail even closer. 28.91. Key support respected, price not reversing. So here's an update on the trade from Brad. Total points 10.75, flawless. So you do not need many trades. What you need in quality. Become consistent trader and add the lot size. Never ever number trades. Adios everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Look forward to seeing you in the